How you doing, ma'am?
How you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Keep straight, mama. Walk. Harrison, where you going? You do. You do. Stand up straight. You better stand up straight. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Oh, get it, Mother J. Go to your left. Your left.
Other way.
You said the other left. Mama, stop trying to switch. Stop trying to run. Come on. Woo. Stand up straight. No, you don't. You just stand up straight.
It does. Okay.
Huh? They don't like it.
Who live here now? Bubba?
Yeah.
She had that movie in the house.
Ooh, that's good. That heat now.
How you feel?
I got it.
What are you doing?
We're going to get in the car with Lee.
Well, Lee out here?
Mm-hmm.
My son is all right here?
Oh, you remember him, huh?
Oh, yeah.
We seen a little bit, Crystal.
Oh, he draw that bigger down here?
Right here.
Oh, I ain't seen him.
See y'all later.
All right, bye-bye.
Y'all be good. How long y'all gonna be here? They go.
Happy New Year.
How long you supposed to keep her?
She didn't say.
What's the baby name?
I don't know.
Baby J?
Baby J, something.
Oh, okay.
That's all right. Heaven
Oh,
and
the
joy.
heaven. Heaven. Let's see. Let's see. You just stuck it in there. It's,
You normally goes the other way?
that's okay, as long as it's in there.
I know it is.
Oh, look who's walking. Stand up straight, mama. Oh, you're doing good. Get it, after May. There's your mirror. How you looking? You did good. Tired?
Till I eat that whole cookie.
You ate that whole muffin?
Yes, I did.
How you feeling?
You don't got what you gonna get?
I got you some socks and I was gonna find me a jacket. You tired of standing up? Okay, let's sit it right here. Let's lock it. Put this right here. Lock this.
And who gonna pay your leg?
Lock it. No, sit down. Rest your legs. Rest your bones. Is that better? Pull up on your nose. Heaven. Stand up straight. There you go. Oh, get it, Mother J. Look, she's trying to twist Heaven. Get it, Mother J. Except when you... Mom, you want that? Why? You might find your husband, you get that?
You don't get out of here.
Huh?
Y'all wet.
You want that, Mama?
I don't want no thing on me.
Why you don't want that? Ooh, that look pretty on you.
They be on our clothes, but that's okay.
You said what?
That's all right. I don't want all that red stuff.
She don't want the red stuff.
Come on.
Hey, I just wouldn't push that bug with no socks in it. I wouldn't be pushing that bug all the way through with just one pair of socks in it. Oh.
Everybody got everything.
It's a medium. Nope. Stand up straight. Walk closer to it. I'm gonna pay for this. You gonna take it to the car. That's your car. That's yours.
It belongs here.
That's yours.
You buying it?
That belong to you. You just don't forget. This is yours.
We got this out the car.
When we have the baby doll in it and stuff, you just don't forget.
It's yours. Yeah, it's your turn.
Who bought it from?
I bought it years ago, Mom.
Oh,
You still
I
forgot it was in the
didn't
house. Walk up straight. Walk closer to it. Closer. Now. Have you want anything?
Dog clothes.
What? These Christmas dog clothes, aren't they? Well, is this the right size, medium?
Medium, this is dog.
This is cheap. I know what size to get. sheep stuff. I don't like. Work it out, Mother J. Work it out. Yeah, so where you going? Come on. Put your hand on this right here. There you go. Now. We're gonna go this way. Right through there. Walk closer to it. You shaking your hips today? You ain't got nothing to shake? Huh? You got what? You ain't got nothing to shake today? I'm just running around like I'm home. Yeah. Mm-hmm. We need to go take her, change her wheel, walker out. We're going in here to have dinner.